Hello guys, welcome to my channel CraftsWithShammu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey guys, today we are going to do these lovely oval shaped stone studded earrings. They look so hard to make, but trust me guys, it's very easy. You just gotta need some patience. So let's get started. Firstly, take a silk thread and wrap around a lid for about 25 times. Glue them together. Now take a size 1 Jhumka and glue one end of the thread to it. Let it dry for some time and start wrapping around. There's a clear tutorial on how to wrap a Jhumka. So do check out the video, link is in the description, or click on the I button. This is how it looks. Now let's stick the stone chain to it. Apply some glue and start sticking the chain. Do it until you cover up the entire Jhumka. This is how it looks. And you need to make another one to make one earring. So now you need to glue them together. Firstly, take a headpin and insert a stone ball. Now put it into one of the Jhumka and pass it through the other Jhumka. Apply some glue to stick them properly. Now insert another stone ball and using the pliers bend the ends. And insert the stud and lock it with the plier. Here I used an antique stud, but you can also make the stud by yourself. And that's it, you're done. This is how pretty it looks. They look so stunning and grand, and are perfect as a party wear jewelry. So that's it for today guys. I hope you loved it, and please do like the video if you did, and surely subscribe to my channel, okay? So until then, meet you in my next video, and happy crafting and bye bye.